As we all know, Apple removed live wallpapers in iOS 16. A lot of people are upset about this. Thankfully, the live wallpaper feature is back in iOS 17. However, many users report that they are experiencing this problem. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own live wallpaper and fix the problem of it not working. Part 1. How to enable live wallpapers in iOS 17. Head to your photo album and pick out a fantastic live photo. Now click the share button below. Choose to use as wallpaper. Down in the bottom left corner, there's a tiny switch. Click it to toggle autoplay on or off. Okay, now I have the live wallpaper. You can also enable this feature in Settings, Wallpaper. Just click Add New Wallpaper and then select your favorite photo. Sometimes you may have encountered such a situation. iPhone shows motion not available. How to fix live photos unavailable on iOS 17? Keep watching. Part 2. Turn off the Reduce Motion. Find Accessibility in Settings. Click on Motion and then turn off Reduced Motion. Sometimes, this feature disables live photos. Part 3. Using iPhixer to fix live photos not working. If the settings in your phone don't solve your problem, it's most likely an iOS 17 system error. Try iPhixer to get rid of them. Download and launch iPhixer on your computer. For such common small errors, just select the standard mode. Connect your iPhone to the computer using the data cable. Now iPhixer will automatically download the proper repair firmware for you. Follow the prompts to put your phone in recovery mode. A few minutes later, the fix was complete. All software issues in your iPhone are fixed, including live photos. Now you can set the live wallpaper you want. And there you have it, folks, solutions to the live wallpaper conundrum. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more tech tips and tricks.